How to pay someone in Splitwise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone directly through Splitwise, whether you're settling up a bill or paying back a friend. I'll walk you through the simple steps, so let's dive right in. First, open the Splitwise app on your phone. Now, once you're in the app, tap on the Balances tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll see all your groups or individual balances. Now, scroll through your list of balances and select the person you want to pay. You'll see how much you owe them and the payment option. Once you've selected the person, tap on Settle Up button. This will give you different payment options to choose from. Now, Splitwise offers various ways to pay, such as PayPal, Venmo, Cash, bank transfer, or even Google Pay. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. Now, if you select PayPal, it will redirect you to the PayPal app or website. Simply, if the amount to pay isn't automatically filled in, enter the amount you owe. Double check to make sure it's correct before proceeding with the payment. Once you've selected your payment method and confirm the amount, simply tap on Pay or Confirm to complete the payment. Once you've paid, Splitwise will automatically mark your balances paid and update your group's records. If you paid via PayPal or Venmo, Splitwise will also sync the transaction details. And that's it, you've successfully paid someone through Splitwise.